We're here for another edition of the Outlook series, and I'm your host, Mike Lippis. Developers have become critical to the modern enterprise, and their responsibilities continue to expand. Technology is no longer a choice, but a fundamental business strategy that must be interwoven with wider business initiatives to not only survive, but thrive. Collaboration between enterprises, modern ways of engaging with the customer base, more innovation within the workforce itself, and the ability to draw valuable insights from captured data are just several of the key benefits helping businesses grow today. Leading firms are looking to add secure APIs with role-based controls to enable enterprises to open their systems as a way to monetize their back-office systems for B2B applications, in turn helping IT transform from a cost center to a value center. Now joining us to discuss digital transformation with value stream management is Akshay Sharma. Akshay is the CTO of Kovair Software. Akshay Sharma, welcome to the Outlook series.
Great to be here, Michael.
Hey there. Now, Akshay, welcome back, first of all. And, as a CTO for Kovair, having completed over 2.5 years there as a tech advisor and CTO, Akshay, what are the key benefits of using Kovair's VSMP/VSDP, the Value Stream Management and Delivery Platform, for helping transition enterprise IT from a cost center to a value center?
Thanks for the question, Michael. Kovair's uniquely positioned PPM, Project and Portfolio Management Solution, within its VSMP/VSDP solution set, can provide stakeholders a unified platform to manage budgets, schedules, resources, and field data through a single interface, along with revenue management and the logistics of payment and invoice management. The revenue portion is often missing from the competitors in the VSMP/VSDP space, as they primarily focus on cost savings and neglect the revenue side of the equation. Kovair uniquely does both. So Kovair allows IT to develop its software as a product using Kovair DevOps and ALM solutions, manage the delivery of it using Kovair CI/CD functions in the cloud, manage the lifecycle for the product, ideate its APIs and process workflows to the product with Kovair's Gartner Cool Vendor awarded Omnibus as an enterprise service bus to the product, with role-based and policy controls, and now provide revenue management functions too within Kovair's VSMP/VSDP solutions. This can help transition IT from a cost center to a value center.
Now, when it comes to software teams, how do they embark on this journey transitioning from a cost center to a value center?
Good question, Michael. As enterprises move their siloed IT with internally facing product solutions towards the cloud and open their platforms to make it as a service, IT teams should first form an API team and develop best practices, which include the creation of an API product manager and API architect to be a centralized function with goals of turning IT from a cost center to a value center. An example is Cisco Systems, turning their unified communications and VoIP products like PBXs and session border controllers to become virtualized as a service in WebEx. While these team functions can be decentralized, it would make sense to have cross-functional matrix reporting within distributed teams to ensure common APIs, tools, enterprise service bus solutions, and common analytics and dashboards are leveraged. Otherwise, we end up with the disparate siloed solutions again. Once the API team is formed and the internal software solutions are made into cloud-based products provided as a service, an external API should be developed, whether it's B2B, business to business, or B2C, business to consumer. And this API must be made secure, process compliant with the correct dashboards, with role-based policy controls to ensure the correct usage is occurring, with ideally disaster recovery as a service built in, all of which Kovair provides.
Okay.
As we know, an API is an application program interface that allows for easier integration to tools and applications. Here, an application can invoke the third-party application, allowing for better, more holistic, integrated solutions to occur. This can extend the life of existing applications, can allow for increased productivity in reusing existing modules, allow for newer mashups of hyper-converged solutions and services to occur, perhaps with better workflow decisions being automated, perhaps with better metrics and dashboards, while enterprise service bus solutions from vendors like Kovair with its Omnibus allow for pre-built, pre-tested integrations to third-party systems without having the need for knowing individual tool APIs and having a vendor like Kovair manage any API updates. This leads to more seamless integrations, increased productivity, and better operational efficiencies to occur. Kovair Omnibus allows for pre-built integrations to over 120 applications like SAP, Salesforce, Microsoft Dynamics, Cisco App Dynamics, as well as internally built applications at major organizations, including leading government agencies, Fortune 1000 firms, as well as smaller enterprises, with the additional benefits including process controls with dashboards and metrics, including revenue management, security with resiliency. Inter-application delivery of services and information is often required to be secure, with role-based policy controls and disaster recovery as a service built in. All this should enable a better collaborative environment for better quality, better productivity, better security, and support for better operational resiliency.
Now, Akshay, API monetization is often key to digital transformation. So, how can firms increase revenue with their API program? What are some of the different API business models?
Michael, enterprises are transforming with digital transformation, moving to the cloud, looking at industrial IoT, looking at newer solutions like AI, ML, machine learning, e-kiosks, mobile applications, e-commerce. But this will fall flat if monetization and revenue management is neglected. This key critical capability needs to be addressed as they look to transition their IT from a cost center to a value center with newer business models. Enterprises can charge their customers using their APIs in different ways. Charge per transaction, charge by a subscription model, charge API access to their platform as an upsell, as what Salesforce does, charge based on revenues generated in rev share approaches, or perhaps not charge at all, but collect analytics proving increased sales of other products have occurred from the seamless integration, or decreased costs from the operational efficiencies gained. Kovair can provide the dashboards to help manage the revenue management and payment processing in this journey. Kovair's PPM solution delivers greater value to the organization by connecting the entire life cycle from planning to execution. It enables IT leaders to optimize their project portfolios, manage the capacity of resources against the demands raised from different projects, and connects plans and resources to the actual project execution. Using the Kovair PPM solution, organizations can define strategic initiatives from portfolio to projects to their business outcomes. It allows leaders to define strategic initiatives, choose the relevant projects for execution, provide deeper insights into development phases, projects, and programs by generating EVMs, earned value management metrics, at all levels, providing valuable inputs to the management, enabling them in making data-oriented decisions for better time and cost management of a project to revenues generated. The Kovair PPM solution within its VSMP solution set not only provides complete visibility across the entire value stream, but also provides complete visibility of the delivery lifecycle from the quadruple perspectives of revenues, resource, time, and cost to the C-level executives as well as to the stakeholders of the projects through role-based real-time reports and dashboards.
All right, now thanks a lot, Akshay. To wrap up, what are the implications to business leaders for Kovair's VSMP, VSDP announcement that's been made recently? There
are many competing siloed VSMP, VSDP solutions. some with software buses, some with data lakes and data migration solutions, some with API middleware prepackaged with low-code, no-code configuration capabilities, some with siloed ALM, applications lifecycle management tool support, some with DevOps tool support to migrate to cloud applications, some with dashboard and analytics data lakes and repositories. But only Kovair packages all of the above within one framework with workflow automation functions as well as project lifecycle management functions for not only technical leaders, but business leaders as well, with Kovair's unique offering of revenue management and payment invoice management as an added capability.
All right. Well, thanks a lot there, Akshay. Any final thoughts? Where can our audience get more information on improving business models with Kovair VSMP, VSDP?
Thanks, Michael. www.kovair.com has a wealth of information there. One final thought I would highlight from this recent solution announcement is the notion of work from home, where Kovair can support remote management via dashboards showing all the process metrics and statuses to be visualized in real time, and provides remote control of workflow pipelines via email with role-based policy controls. It supports multiple databases across hybrid multi-clouds, and Kovair's workflow process engine is unique with task-based models which supports concurrency, which is more representative of real-world teams, as teams are likely working on multiple tasks concurrently and remotely across different environments. These are challenging times now, but with newer solutions and newer thinking, hopefully this will be alleviated with better solutions from platform providers like Kovair, as we discussed. Hopefully the result is better harmony within IT teams and better business outcomes from innovations by Kovair. So hopefully this is a game changer.
Yeah, well, indeed it is. It's an important topic, and I certainly appreciate you joining us here today for another session with the Outlook series, and wish you the best of luck with your endeavors over there at Kovair Software.
Yes, thank you, Michael.
Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to log on to the Outlook series site for your business and technology news.